Hello, hello, and welcome to Talking to Food Safety Professionals. My name is Dr. Jenny Lynn James, and I'm a food safety professional with over 25 years of experience in the industry. With me today is Pooja Khanna. Welcome, Pooja.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Professor, for having me. It's real a great pleasure to speak to your audience today.
Yes, now Pooja has worked in the industry in many different capacities over the years, and she's currently Senior Product QA Specialist at a large retail organization. So, Pooja, tell us, how did you get started in food safety?
My path in the food industry really kicked off right after I graduated from food science technology at St. Daniel College. I
Yeah.
moved to Vancouver and I landed as my first professional role for QC technician for a fish company. Yeah. So looking back, I can recall that I worked at Tim Hortons as a part-time team member. I worked as a server in a restaurant, and I also worked as a general laborer in a vegetable processing company. And those were invaluable experiences, which actually helped me get into my job as a QA.
Okay, so that was a good introduction to the whole idea of food safety. All
Yes.
those jobs, preliminary jobs. So, what other roles have you held over the years in industry?
So I started as a QC technician, the QA, I moved to a QA technician role. So there's a difference between QC and QA, as you know.
Yes.
And then I got an opportunity. I got promoted to be an SQF practitioner. Then I worked
Oh,
with a different company as a QA manager. For two different companies, I handled the BRCGS standard. And
yes. And what industry was this?
this was mainly in the bakery industry.
Bakery. Ah, okay.
And then I was really passionate to study nutrition management. I went back to college
Yes.
during COVID and I got to work with COVID patients. I worked as a food service supervisor
Ah,
and then as a nutrition food service manager. So I held various hats like procurement manager, health and safety, quality assurance manager. So it was all around food and I got to learn the food service as well as the manufacturing industry
yes,
very
yes. Excellent. Excellent.